Replacing windows is expensive and usually not cost-effective from an energy-saving perspective. However, windows can be rehabilitated, and although it is time-consuming and requires patience and skill, it is well within the capabilities of many handy homeowners and renters. Places for improving existing window efficiency include caulking sash and trim, either using the rope type or tube caulk, air sealing counterweight cavities, weather stripping or replacing glides, tightening up or installing new latches, reglazing panes and replacing cracked glass, installing storm windows or plastic film, using window quilts or thermal shades.
Another thing you can do in your home is if you have leaky windows, you can cover them with a plastic, and you can make sure that the top sash lock is working properly and fastening the windows tight. And on some older windows, you can use a side sash lock, which actually is on a cam. And when it's installed on the side of a window that this would work on, it'll push the two casings together. This is the type of kits we like to install. They come in different sizes. It has a reusable track that you insert the plastic into every winter. So it's reusable over and over.
First thing we're going to do when installing our window treatment is we're going to make sure the casing's good and clean, that there's no dirt or anything, because this is an adhesive and we want it to stick for many years. And they come in various lengths. I'm just going to peel off the backing right on the edge of this trim board. And then we're going to need to measure from this piece up to the top. Looks like we've got about 19 inches. Then we're going to install the second piece of track system. Right along the edge of that trim board. And we're going to go all the way around the window with this track system. Okay, now that we've got the two sides installed, one top piece, we're going to measure the last top piece. Then we'll cut that with our hacksaw. We'll just install the piece. Okay, now we've got our track system all installed, and we'll get our plastic. This is 8 mil. And we're just going to roll it out. Okay, now that we've got the track system installed, we're just going to put the plastic over the window. And we're just going to push this piece into the track system on the window. So now we're just going to trim the plastic away.
Exterior doors offer another opportunity to stop air leakage. Here you can add or replace worn weather stripping and door sweeps. Older doors and frames may also benefit from adjusting jambs or latch strike plates. The measures up to this point have focused on convection that is happening within your building. Another ingredient in the efficiency equation is conduction, which is the rate at which heat flows through a solid object. Our values measure a material's resistance to conductive heat transfer. Materials such as glass, steel, concrete, wood, and wallboard have low resistance to heat transfer and have low R values. Materials with higher resistance to heat transfer, commonly called insulation, have higher R values. In Vermont, the U.S. Department of Energy minimum recommended R values for existing homes are ceilings and attics R49, which translates into 18 to 24 inches of loose or fiberglass insulation, sloped roofs R38, walls R19, basement or crawl space walls R25, floors over uninsulated space R30. As we begin to make our homes more energy efficient, there are certain health and safety concerns that we need to keep in mind. Moisture, chemicals, and combustion gases can create health problems in any home, and relatively tight homes are at greater risk. Preventing these problems at the source and maintaining adequate fresh air through mechanical ventilation is critical to healthy, safe, and properly functioning homes. And be sure there is adequate fresh air supply to heating equipment such as furnaces, boilers, and hot water heaters. The home energy saving tips we've shown here are just a start. Consider getting an energy audit and improvements to complement the work you're doing on your own. A professional home energy audit will provide you with whole house diagnosis, including blower door test, detailed inspection of the building envelope, combustion efficiency, and other tests as needed. Written assessment of the findings and priority lists of improvements, some with costs for renovations. Access to discounted financing and incentives. Remember, a comprehensive improvement project involves air sealing, insulation, heating system improvements and tune-ups, moisture control, and ventilation. Free diagnostic and retrofit services for low-income Vermonters are operated by Community Action and other agencies throughout the state. Call these numbers to see if you're eligible to sign up. While retrofits cost money up front, they produce long-term savings. In other words, efficiency saves money. Low-interest loans for efficiency investments are provided by several financial institutions, and a number of gas and electric utilities also offer additional financial incentives. There are interest rate buy-downs from Efficiency Vermont's participating lenders. However, any work must be done by a certified Home Performance with Energy Star contractor. Efficiency Vermont offers a range of incentives and rebates to purchase energy-efficient lighting and electrical appliances. Contact Efficiency Vermont today at www.efficiencyvermont.com or 1-888-921-5990. Remember, you can save money by using energy more efficiently and conserving wherever possible. Finding and sealing air leaks are typically the most cost-effective energy-saving measures. Moisture, chemical, and combustion gases can create health problems. Source control and proper ventilation are key. There are technical and financial resources available to help. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any questions, contact Efficiency Vermont.